everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a file on a Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps. And after this, if you want to add a file on your Google Drive, you can click on the plus icon at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you can click on a folder. And then you can click on the create. And after this, you can open your folder. And in here you can click plus icon again. And then if you wanna add file, you can click on the upload. And in here you can search the files that you want to add. In here I wanna add a file, so I click on the my files. And in here you can click on my documents because I want to add my document, so you just click on it. And after this you can click on this one. This is my file. And after this you can click done at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to add a file on a Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.